Kia ora guys, it's Harmony here from Kiwi Can Bay of Plenty. I hope everyone is staying safe and well at the moment. When I'm not working from home, I like to do a lot of activities just to keep me entertained. So today I thought I would share a science-based one that I find super fun and super easy to make. All you need is some water, some cornflour or cornstarch, a measuring cup. If you don't have a measuring cup, you can just use a regular cup. Food colouring, you don't have to have it, but it is always fun to have some colour. A mixing stick or just a normal spoon, and then a big bowl. If you don't have a bowl, you can just use a normal container or just an ice cream container is fine too. Today I will be using the container. Now this activity can get a little messy, so I do recommend doing it outside, maybe in the backyard, or just somewhere in the kitchen, maybe on the kitchen bench like how I am at the moment, just so it is easy to clean up afterwards. So the science experiment that I am going to show you guys today is called Oobleck, and it is very similar to slime, very ooey gooey slime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get cornflour, get the packet here, and I'm going to do 1 cup. So I have a half a cup with me at the moment, so I've just put in 1/2. One cup. Cool, and put that all in. That side. I'm then going to get half a cup of water. So you can make a lot more. So you'll put in half of the amount of water that you do for the cornflour. So I've put in 1 cup of cornflour and I'm going to put in a half a cup of water. If you would like some colouring in there, you can either add it now into the water or you can put it a bit later on. Oh, then you're just going to mix that together. There may be times where you'll find it quite tough to mix up, but just keep trying to mix until it gets into a smoother consistency and isn't as lumpy. So you can test your mixture at any time. So if I poke it really fast, I shouldn't get any mixture on my fingers. I have got some on my fingers at the moment, so that is when you just add some more cornflour or cornstarch, because it means your mixture is too runny. So from here you can kind of pick and play. You might just need to add more water if your mixture is too tough, or just add more cornflour if it is too runny. If you've had enough using your spoon, you can get on with your hands, and that is all part of the fun. So I'll show you a cool thing with the Oobleck here, is when you run your fingers through it really fast, it almost feels, you can feel the solids in there. And if you tap it real fast, it feels hard, like your fingers don't sink into it unless you slowly push in. So if you slowly put your fingers in or your hands in, your fingers will sink because it's a liquid. If you just tap it, your fingers don't sink in at all. If you grab a whole lot, and you can roll some around to make a hard ball, when you're constantly moving it, it becomes a solid. However, if I was to stop, it becomes liquid in my hand. So that is the really cool thing about Oobleck and what makes it also different to slime. So I'm going to see if I can do it again. make a bigger one so you guys can see. You can see the big ball rolling in between my hands, but if I let go, oozes between my finger and becomes liquid. And that is today's little experiment, Oobleck, like Dr. Seuss calls it. So give it a go, super easy, super fun. Hope you enjoy your holidays that are coming up, and I hope to see you guys soon. And as we do it in Kiwi Can, K-I-W-I, Kiwi Can, goodbye.